I'm at the Blue Ocean Film Festival, and I just saw Wallace J. Nichols give his keynote talk, and now he's signing books. His book, Blue Mind, national bestseller, and I'm looking forward to talking to him. If this is like starting a movement, though, which I believe it is, and if this is one step in the big process, what then would success look like?
Translation of the ideas into many languages. And I think, so this is 300 pages, but a 5-page version of the book for educators, or a short version of the book for young readers, and a comic book version for comic book readers or graphic novel. I would like to check those out from the library.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Somebody else's name on them and just say, that's well done.
Celine, you and I have never met before, but I'm familiar with your work. I'm Teresa.
Nice to meet you, Teresa.
And that's Ben.
Hello, how are you?
But I was wondering, when you wrote the foreword for Blue Mind, did you anticipate it becoming a bestseller?
Good answer. Next question.
Well,
There's no good answer to that. Yes is...
Of course.
No is... It's J. Come on.
Right. Do not underestimate the power of blue.
Do not.